Yay, you're here! It's Achko Machko time! Let's learn, laugh, and play! Kids, today let's learn counting 1 to 10 with Achko Machko.
Come with me and you will see numbers as fun can be. Count them high, count them low. Let's all count, come on, let's go.
One little ball rolling on the floor.
2 funny socks peeking from the drawer.
3 squeaky ducks
Splashing in the tub.
4 soft blocks go thud, thud, thud.
5 toy cars zooming all around.
Let's clap our hands and jump up and down.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh.
6 little crayons coloring bright.
7 swinging stars shining at night.
8 yummy grapes all in a bowl.
9 big bubbles start to roll. 10 fingers wiggling in the air. Count with us
From here to there.
Let's count from 1 to 10. Then we'll count them all again. Achko helps me every day to learn my numbers while we play. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
5 and 6.
Let's count some more.
7, 8.
Then 9 and 10.